Hello everyone, I'm Dima from Integrator channel, and in Spring I work like an integration engineer. So Spring is buy now pay later European startup, and the basic idea I would like to show you it stands for integrations. What type of integrations can your product have? So let's say you have a product, you've built an API, and it can be sufficient to go to the market. But if you want to speed up the process of your client to go live, you can simplify their life with integrating your product. So for example, you can build SDK, that stands for Software Developer Kit, and you can build plugins if you know on which CMS they are. If you have clients for those CMS and systems, you can use probably some integrations, and yeah, and also they can interact with your system manually with websites or mobile app, so that will directly call your APIs. So yeah, we've built a front-end SDK which is framework agnostic. So this is a demo website where you can see it in action. So I published it to npm, and here is an instruction how you can use. So basically what our product was doing, when you register a buyer company, buyer will receive some credit limit, and then you can place an order and invoice. So going back here, you can see that in this code we'll create a buyer, and you have a on buyer response. So also you can create a buyer and place an order. So let's and when you click, it immediately inject some front-end code to your page, and then you can start like Spring registration number, let's say approve. I would like to simulate approval. So you're asking the client to provide some information, some dummy data here, going on. I don't want to save user details, and yeah, so it will ask me to verify my email because we ask for the verification OTP code. So yeah, this is like a required step. I don't want to save it. Okay, so let me go and check my email. Yeah, I'm picking it from here. I verify my user, and now I have some credit that I can use to place an order, selecting net terms or installments in this case, and placing an order. So actually, yeah, the SDK executes some callback, so you can see that I have information about the order that was placed and the buyer that was created. And other than that, on this page you have seen reference to documentation. So yeah, make sure that you have something similar. So this is for merchant, we call it merchant SDK, actually it's JS SDK or front-end one, and we have e-commerce plugins for different systems. So if you will go to demo site, it will look something similar. So you should have for all type of integrations like a demo site, so your clients can see if it really works well. Oh, let me quickly select something. Okay, so Netherlands, house number, apartment, zip code. Okay, Amsterdam, let's say some phone number, it's dummy data, mail, spring.com. Okay, so the idea is that our plugin just injects an extra payment option that you can see, and yeah, please take care of the localizations, so it should be translated for different languages. You can additionally build and use some web components that will help your customers to understand what product you are building, like what Spring modal in this case. And when I click place order, instead of going to success page, you see something similar as our front-end SDK. So here, yeah, we call our APIs to search business, register a business, and understand the credit, verify OTP, so similar as in merchant SDK. So this is it for Spring, and a good example that I've seen can be, let's say, a Sentry documentation. So when you go, they provide a huge list of SDKs, so you can select the language, the framework or library you're using, or raw JavaScript, or yeah, whatever you are using. For example, for JS it can be like Next.js. You can go here from JavaScript and select the framework. So really helpful. For example, if I will select let's say React, yeah, they provide me a page how I can install it. So yeah, that's basically it, and I wish you good luck and see you in more integrations. Bye.